Every service in Hornbill Service Manager has its own service page, where you configure its settings, manage access, and control how it's presented to users. In this video, we'll walk through the different areas of the page and see what each one does. At the top of the page, you'll see the general details of your service. If you need to change any of the settings configured when the service was created, you can do that using the Edit button. On the right is the Service Availability panel. By default, it's set to No Status, meaning subscribers don't see a service status. This is the right choice when status information isn't relevant to the service. When it is relevant, you can choose from 3 statuses: available, impacted, or unavailable. Once a status is selected, a default message is provided, which you can edit before saving. From then on, subscribers will see both the service status and the accompanying message. Below that is a panel containing the portal visibility, owner, and service access settings. Portal visibility controls whether subscribed users can see the service on the employee and customer portals. Setting it to visible means subscribed users can see the service and access requests raised against it. Setting it to hidden removes the service from the portals altogether, making it useful for services that aren't customer facing. Through the Asset Partition filter, the service can be linked to a specific asset partition, controlling which group of assets is available when requests are raised against it. Service access determines who can edit the service's details and configuration. When a service is first created, the person who creates it is automatically assigned as the service owner. If you need to reassign a different owner, only users with the Services Manager role are available to select. The Activities panel is where tasks related to the service are created and tracked. Next are the supporting teams. Here, your dedicated service desk teams can be assigned to a specific service, helping you ensure that the right requests are managed by the right people. Subscriptions, meanwhile, control who can use the service. By default, the service is available to everyone, although you can limit access to specific users if required. The Edit button opens the discussion area, where your team can collaborate and discuss the service in one place. The rest of the service configuration is available from the toolbar across the top of the page. The configuration menu is where request settings, actions, and substatuses are managed and where catalog items are created. From here, you can also access the requests associated with the service, along with their related settings. The toolbar also lets you link assets, associate other services with this service, and create FAQs. You can also create and manage service bulletins. Service bulletins are announcements that can be created and published to keep subscribers informed. They appear on both the customer and employee portals. Within the Connections tab, you can configure different connection types and define what each type has access to, including which connections receive email notifications. Finally, you can link the appropriate knowledge base articles to the service and configure and associate service level agreements, or SLAs. And that's the service page. This is where every setting that shapes how your service looks, behaves, and is supported comes together.